In the last 5 years on YouTube, what I learned is the best way to grow a YouTube channel is to increase retention time. And all that really means is once someone clicks on your videos, just make sure they don't leave. They watch as much of the video as possible. But how do you actually get people to watch your videos for a longer amount of time? How do you retain the viewers? Well, the best way that I found is by keeping the video content engaging and most specifically visually interesting. Now, most YouTubers and YouTube channels is a talking head, meaning I'm sitting in front of a camera and talking to you just like this. So the trick here is making the talking head videos more interesting by adding more visual elements. And one of the best ways I found is by using what's called B-roll. That's when you get stock video from stock video websites and put it on top of your video and something that is relevant to what you're talking about. Then you could also add graphics. Those are graphic elements. As you talk, they will appear on camera. And you could also add music, which really takes it up to the next level. And one of the best platforms that I've been using for years, and they're also sponsoring this video, is this platform called Envato Elements. Basically, with Envato Elements, I get everything I just mentioned plus more all in one platform. I don't really have to search around all that much. So where I start is on the stock video library. I'll show you exactly how to do it with an example in a second. Then I go to the graphics tab. Here I could get icons and backgrounds. Even under graphic templates, I could get infographics. Then I go to the photos tab. There's over 5 million royalty-free stock photos. And royalty-free basically means on YouTube, because it's a public platform, you can't just Google images or videos or music and use it. There is copyright typically associated with that type of content. So you have to use platforms like this that provide royalty-free stock video, photos, and music so you don't get into issues with YouTube copyright. And this platform is an all-in-one subscription platform. So I could literally download as much as I want from all these different tabs, all for the same monthly fee. I don't have to pay for stock videos from one website, music from another website. That's why I like this. It just makes it so convenient for me. And again, they have so much here to offer. And I've been using this way before they sponsored any of my videos for all my video creation. And I'll give you a live example how I would use it in this exact video. So here, for this video, I will go to stock video. I'm talking about video creation. So I would type in shooting videos, for example, or video creation. And I'm gonna get a bunch of different examples of people filming themselves. And I could grab any one of these and use it in my video, right? So what I would do is, for example, let's go to video editing. And I'm talking about the video editing process. All I need to do is click one of these and I'm gonna just press download. It's gonna download it here to my computer. And then I would jump into my video editing software. I use this one called Premiere Pro. I would just double click here, import that clip. I'll bring it over here and just put it right on top of me talking, right? Then I could just make a cut. So I would just use the cut tool here, make a cut here, and then I would just delete this section, right? So this is exactly what B-roll is. It's going to go from this clip to this B-roll clip back to me talking, right? So this is what makes it visually interesting. Right now, there's 3 different visual elements than just a talking head of me talking, and then you don't really see what I'm talking about. So it's much better to cut to things that I'm talking about to make the video more interesting. And our whole point was to create a longer retention for anybody clicking this video. So hopefully if you're still watching, that means the retention technique worked. As usual, I'll put a link in the description if you want to try out Envato Elements, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.